Hongreat is the first manufacturer for blood collection tube machine in China. We have been focusing on blood collection tube machine for more than 21 years. With the most stable and reliable products with excellent performance and after-sales services, Hongreat becomes the preferred choice for machine partner to produce high-quality blood collection tube. Hongreat can provide you turnkey solution from zero to production fulfillment. Until 2024, we already have over 230 global clients and exported to over 40 countries, include USA, Russia, Italy, etc. Striving for perfection is the foundation for stable operation of equipment. With more than 21 years experience on blood collection tube machine, Hongreat owns over 20 patents for blood tube machine. Hongreat is overall solution supplier for medical devices intelligent production.